In this video, we will show you the 3 ways we make money in trending markets, and also our advanced strategy to enter and exit our trades and profit. This took us years to master and could be the difference of you becoming a profitable trader. Confused? Let's talk about it. Good day. Today we're going to discuss how to make money trading trend zone. Before we get started, there's a couple things you need to keep inside your memory bank. When it comes to identifying the market conditions, you need to know there's 3 types of market trends. There's an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways ranging trend, which is the market reset. However, the first thing we want to ask ourselves is, where's price traveling from? Once we discover where price is traveling from, then we can already see a reset coming. And so if you notice here, the market threw us a hard reset. So that's why we're putting this strong resistance zone here. The next thing we're going to do is mark our strong trend zones. Now, this is one of the trades that we were able to take profit on major. But we're going to remark it up just to show you what that looks like. The second question we ask ourselves is, can we see a reset? Did the market throw us a reset? This is important because this is what's going to help us be able to see the reset coming so we can catch the next move. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also leave a comment below on a video you want to see us cover next. Now that we have asked you those 2 questions, we're going to show you 3 different ways you can profit from a trending market. The first way you can make money is you can enter in on the reset of the trend. The second way you can make money is you can enter in on the pullbacks. The third and final way we know you can make money is you can enter in on the break, retest, and collect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly what that looks like while trading in the financial market. The first way you can make money is you can enter in on the reset of the trend. Now notice how price action was falling from a downtrend. And what you notice is price action gave a reset to switch that trend. And then price action provided the markets a false uptrend, which shifted into an aggressive reset. Now that we have identified the hard reset, it's time to go through our confirmation checklist. Step number 1. Price action approaches a major resistance zone. Step number 2. Price action rejects that level while showing signs of exhaustion. Step number 3. Price action gives us an aggressive, bearish candlestick, signaling it's ready to go in the opposite direction. Step number 4. Price action gives us an end of trend variation. Step number 5, lights out. Now that we have placed a successful entry, you just manage the trade. Now let's say hypothetically, you weren't able to get in on the end of trend variation or the hard reset of the market. Let's go into the second way you can make money. You can enter in on the pullbacks. Now notice how price is in a downward motion. Let's just entertain that you missed the trade altogether. Well, what we do is we wait for that first bullish candlestick the market throws in a downtrend motion. And then we draw our pivot point. Then we wait to see if price action is respecting that pivot point. And then we place our entry. Now we are just holding the trade. So while holding that position, our goal is to find another entry. Price action has now responded a 3rd time in this downward motion. So once we see this long wick candlestick comes back, we look for the first bullish candlestick to draw our next pivot point for our next entry. If you enjoyed this video and appreciate trading with a step-by-step guide, be sure to head over to our website at www.thirdeyetraders.com to enroll in our free online course today. Also, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you think I did a good job, and a comment below on anything you want to hear next. What we do is, now that we have 2 positions, we are already prepared for the end game. So we continue to manage the trade. In the meantime, we're going to apply our 26 EMA to our charts. The purpose of applying the EMA 26 to our charts so we can identify the market, just in case the market wants to throw an end of trend variation or a hard reset and to change the direction. So once price action breaks the 26 EMA with an aggressive bullish candlestick, after giving us that long wick candlestick, we close our positions and we take profit. The third and final way you can make money trading in a trending market is you can enter in on the break, retest, and collect. Again, that's the break, retest, and collect. Now let's show you what that looks like slowed down. The break is the break of the bullish candlestick breaking that strong trend zone that's been respected. The retest is where you're actually getting another opportunity to hop into this trade because price action has come back to that trend zone to retest it. The collect is what the market does when it's trying to collect orders in the opposite direction. So their goal is to fake you out thinking it's going to break back below the trend zone before taking off into the upside. That wraps up our lesson for today. We do want to thank you so much for checking out our content. And until the next trading video, remember, we'll see you on the other side.